In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can adjust the cap type of a line chart in Microsoft Excel, which is just basically how the ends of a line are drawn, and is really mostly relevant whenever you have a graph like what you see, where the line is thick and there's dashes, so there's lots of ends to each dash. So to adjust the cap type of a line chart in Excel, first click on the line, then right click on the line. From here, you can go to the bottom and click on Format Data Series, where you'll see this box pop up on the right. Go to the left where you see this full bucket icon, and scroll down until you see an option for cap type, like so, which is kind of towards the middle. There are three different cap types: square, which is a default. There's also round, which, as you can see by the legend in the graph, the ends of the each dash is now round. There's also a flat option, like so. So where the ends of each dash is flat. And this is very helpful if you're trying to get your formatting of a graph to really be in line with everything else that you're formatting. So everything else has kind of a round feel to it. You can use the round cap type and your dashes will look more round. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.